Hi everyone. Are you tired of reading a tweet on X only to have the timeline suddenly refresh and make you lose your spot? It's a really frustrating experience that happens to all of us when you're in the middle of a long thread or an interesting discussion. The feed jumps, and the post you were reading is gone forever, lost in the algorithm. The good news is, you're not stuck with it. There are a few simple ways to stop X, formerly known as Twitter, from auto-refreshing so you can browse in peace, and I'm going to walk you through them right now. First, let's talk about the easiest solution, which is built right into the X app and website. You've probably noticed two main tabs at the top of your feed, For You and Following. The For You tab is the default, and it's an aggressive, algorithm-driven feed. This means X is constantly trying to show you new, popular, or engaging content, which is what causes it to refresh so often. The simplest fix is to just tap or click on the Following tab. This tab shows you tweets only from the accounts you choose to follow, mostly in chronological order. Because it's not trying to guess what you want to see, it doesn't refresh nearly as much, giving you a much more stable and predictable browsing experience. Make it a habit to switch to Following as soon as you open X, and you'll immediately notice a huge difference. For those of you who use X on a desktop computer, you have even more power using browser extensions. These are small tools you can add to browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge to customize how websites work. You can go to your browser's web store and search for extensions like Tweak New Twitter or Control Panel for Twitter. These tools are designed to put you back in control of your feed. Once installed, they add a settings menu where you can turn off specific features, and a disable auto-refresh option is a very common one. You can also use them to hide other annoying elements, like promoted posts or the What's Happening section, for a cleaner experience. Just remember to read the reviews and check permissions before you install any extension. Finally, here is a simple trick that works for everyone, on both mobile and desktop. If you find a long tweet or a thread that you want to read without interruption, don't just click on it. Instead, open it in a new tab. On a computer, you can right-click the tweet and select Open Link in New Tab. On a phone, you can usually long press the tweet or use the Share menu to get a similar option. This isolates the content from the main timeline, so your original feed can refresh all at once, but the tweet you wanted to read is safe and sound in its own static tab. So there you have it, a few effective methods to stop that annoying auto-refresh on X. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more useful tips and tricks to make your tech life easier.